Welcome to Finch Chevrolet Cadillac Buick GMC. My name is Kevin DiBrita, and this morning I'm here with one of our recent trade-ins. This is a 2017 Dodge Caravan. This thing is loaded. Let's take a quick look inside. Now this vehicle has just arrived, so it still needs to be detailed. We've got our nice leather interior, navigation system in the back seat. We do have power sliding doors on both sides. Of course, 7-passenger seating configuration. DVD player up top. What I like about the Caravans is the amount of space that is in the back of this vehicle. Does include a power tailgate, but look at all this room. Again, does need to be cleaned up, but there is a ton of space inside. Moving on up to the driver's side, we have our blind spot monitors in our mirrors, power seat for the driver. There's all your controls. 83,384 kilometers. Quick look down the center stack. For more information on this and others like it, reach out to me, Kevin DiBrita, Finch Chevrolet Cadillac Buick GMC.